Hey everyone, Melissa here. Thank you for coming back for another one of my videos, or if you're new here, thank you and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my kitchen decor tour. That's a tongue twister. But I showed my living room and everyone seemed to really like how I presented the living room, how I decorated and everything. Now I do have a lot more decoration in my kitchen than I did my living room. My kitchen is decorated a more farmhouse-rustic style, so if you're interested in seeing what I use for decor and what my kitchen looks like, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so headed into the kitchen from the living room, we will go ahead and go to the right and start over here. Okay, so over here to the right, this door right here is our pantry, and I do have a couple of videos on pantry organization. If you're interested in that, I'll link it in a card. That door there goes to the master bedroom, and then up above, I just got this pantry sign from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off in the home decor section, so I have always been eyeballing this, but it was a little expensive. So once it was 50% off, I grabbed it up. And then moving on around, like I said, master bedroom there. The brown entryway table is what I call it. I think it's like an entryway table. It is, I actually got this at TJ Maxx for $100. I got it about 2 years ago. If you go on TJ Maxx, you can definitely find some good furniture for some affordable prices. Down on the bottom, I just have my burlap F pillow that came from Wish. The pillowcase did for $4 or $5, and I just stuffed it with some stuffing from Hobby Lobby. And then moving on up here, I just have this DIY Live, Love, and Eat sign. I thought it was perfect for the kitchen area. And then this is also a DIY wreath from Dollar Tree, the wreath and the flowers. Over here, this is a very controversial piece. No, I do not think my fish is decor. And no, I'm not trying to kill him. He has lived in this little thing for over a year now. So he is well, he's thriving. I get a lot of very questionable people in the comments, but I want you guys to know he is a-okay. Okay? The window here is a very, very old window. So not only does it just look like I finished it to look old, it is actually a very old window. If you can tell right here, it is actually very weathered, and if you pull on it too hard, it's gonna fall apart. It does have old nails from where it was in a house. It is just an actual old window. This piece came from my cousin whose late boyfriend had it, and you know, he didn't have a need for it anymore. Unfortunately, he's no longer with us, so she gave the window to me, and I did sand it, paint it, and sand it again. So that is what that is. So here's an overall view, and I do have some unfortunate placement of my little air conditioner return vent there, but nothing I can do about that. So moving on around here, I do get questions on my kitchen table when I'm doing cleaning videos, and everyone says they love the chairs because they look so comfortable, and you guys, they are incredibly comfortable. Let me try to move the chair and show you guys what the actual table looks like, because it's a really pretty table. I mean, obviously I think it's pretty because I bought it, but it just has like these little, it just has like, I don't know, this very modern looking legs to the table, I guess you would say. I could paint it white, you know, kind of sand it and distress it, make it look more farmhouse, but I just really love how it looks, which is obviously why I bought it. It is a glass tabletop. It's not that hard to keep clean, honestly. My husband was like, this is a terrible idea. We have kids, but it's really, it hasn't been that bad at all. Up top, I just have this little galvanized tin with brown handles, and I believe this is honeysuckle locust that is inside of here. It is artificial, obviously, but this right here came from TJ Maxx, I'm pretty sure, and I'm thinking that it was like $11.99. This little succulent here came in a brown little vase container thing that I thought was hideous. The brown was just not cute, and so I painted it streaky white. I just like the look of it, and that came from Dollar Tree. And then let me pull you down here so that you can see these chairs. They are leather. They are very sturdy, and they are super comfortable to sit in. Like, you could just sit down in them and you just squish right down. Every time we have get-togethers and people sit in these, they're like, these are the best chairs ever at a kitchen table, so I do really like them. I cannot remember if I told you where the table was from, but it is from Big Lots, and I got it about 4 or 5 years ago when we first built the house, so I don't think it's available anymore, but if you look on their website, you may be able to see it. And then coming around to our bar area, here are our bar chairs. We have 3 of them. We just have 2 over here and then the one that was over there in the corner, because it does actually fit perfectly right here with the table as well. So if my little one wants to scoot the chair over to the table, she fits perfectly. These came from Walmart. I want to say, I've had these for a long time, so I want to say that they were about $20 or $30 each. They were microfiber. Right down here, if you ever watch Love Meg's channel, and she has the microfiber chairs that look just like this, these are the exact chairs that she has, so they may still have them. But my father-in-law actually recovered them with a leather material for us, and they are so much easier to clean. If the kids have spills or anything, or anyone has spills, they are just, you can just spray them down and wipe them right off. It's absolutely perfect. So if you pan around and look this way, I will go ahead and go around the bar and show you the decor that I have up here in the kitchen area. Okay, so coming from this side, here's our refrigerator, obviously. I don't like stuff on top of the refrigerator. I think it looks nasty and gross, and it's just not my style. The white bottle, chalk painted bottle, came from Walmart. It was already painted. Then I just have this like tin tray that I got from my mom like 1,000 years ago. And then I just have my stainless little water / teapot. I have another chalk painted bottle up here, also from Walmart. The galvanized home sign has an awesome frame on it. That is from Hobby Lobby. My ceilings are so tall, guys. I'm trying my best to like reach up here for you guys. The pumpkin on the pedestal, the pumpkin is actually from Dollar Tree, and the pedestal is something that I made. And then I have 2 of these candlesticks here. Those candlesticks came from Big Lots. They were $8 each. Oh, and the sign I got also on the half off sale, so it was like $6.49 after the sale and tax and everything. But I absolutely love these candlesticks from Big Lots. Big Lots is really stepping up their game. And then I just got the 2 candles from Dollar Tree to put up top. And the tobacco basket that is hanging on the wall, that is from Hobby Lobby. It was 50% off, as well as the honey locust wreath. I got that at Hobby Lobby. It did not come together. I put it together. The wreath was, I want to say it was $9.99 because it was 50% off as well, which is a steal for a wreath. I've been wanting this wreath forever, but they're usually $50, and I just could not bring myself to pay $50, so got myself a deal there. And then over here on this side, these jars in this galvanized holder, I don't really know what you call it. These were actually supposed to be a Christmas gift for this year for me from my mother-in-law, but I went to her house a couple of weekends ago, and I saw jars that she had on her table, and I was just like, oh my God, I love these so much. These are just so cute. So she came out of the bedroom and was like, well, these were supposed to be for Christmas, but you love them so much, so go ahead and have them. So yay, thank you, Ruby. These are freaking awesome. Another chalk painted bottle from Walmart, and then I just have this blessed sign that I actually DIY'd from the Dollar Tree. So the whole entire thing cost me $2 plus a little paint. And yeah, that is what we have. And then down here on the bottom section, I don't really have a lot of decor. My husband is EMT and fire, so he has to have his things like out here where, you know, he can get to them very quickly. So I'm just kind of hide them behind the refrigerator there. Hello. If you've been following me for any amount of time now, you know that my oven was not working. I finally got a new stove, praise the Lord. But the odd thing is that my range is still white, so I have to wait until next week for that to come in so that I can get the black to match. So if you're wondering, like, what the heck are you thinking? That's what's going on. Today I just have my pumpkin pecan waffle candle lit from Bath & Body Works. If you have not smelled this, this has got to be one of the best smelling candles from Bath & Body Works that I have ever purchased. Up top, I just have, well, we just have wines and then like our champagne over here. I do not drink, but my husband does every once in a while. And then up here, this Make Life Beautiful. It's just a wooden sign that was painted that my mom actually gave to me. And then I just have more candles over here. That way when I get ready to light them. That has nothing to do with the decor, but this is actually a square vase that I got for a going away present at work. And I used it for my utensils. And then over here, this is another gift from my mother-in-law. This is just a soap and a hand lotion, which is amazing. I do have the Farmhouse kitchen sink, which is white, which is kind of odd since I have a black stove, since I have a stainless and black fridge and microwave, so is what it is. Dishwasher is still white. I'm not going to purchase a new dishwasher because this one is in excellent condition, and I'm not going to purchase something just so that it will match. This is a cake plate, and it just holds my soap and my sponge because I see everybody with their little Grove things on YouTube, and I think it's adorable. And I picked that up at Hobby Lobby. It was $14.99. I did not get a discount on it, and I did not even remember to use my 40% off, so I'm kind of mad at myself about that, but I do love it. It's awesome. This is just my Bath & Body Works wallflower, and I do have the hot cocoa and cream in there. Now, right here in this area is where I'll use my griddle and stuff like that, which is why the wall is splattered. So if you're seeing that, I'm not a dirty person. It will not come off. I will never, ever repurchase this type of paint that I painted this room with. It's a matte color. If I could remember the name of it, I would tell you so you would steer very clear of it. It is terrible. This right here, I just have for decoration. It just has like a little bit of greenery slash, I don't know, is this eucalyptus? I really don't know. My cinnamon spice vanilla candle. This is just my little succulent that I got at TJ Maxx for $4.99. I just think that it actually has 2 succulents in there. I just thought it was super, super cute. And then I just have a little burlap pumpkin, not for fall, but just, I think pumpkins go in the kitchen. Hey guys, this is a random clip that I'm inserting, but I just wanted to show you guys that I did a little DIY, and I know it's light outside right now, so you probably can't tell, and I'm actually in the middle of cooking, so please ignore the situation over here, but if you see the lighting under the cabinets around here, that is actually a DIY, and I think it looks amazing, and it looks so, so good at night, so I just wanted to share that with you guys, that I put these lights under my cabinets, and it cost me less than 10 bucks, and it looks amazing. So if you're interested, let me know. I will show you guys how to DIY lights under your cabinets. I want to thank you guys so much for visiting my channel today and watching my kitchen decor tour. I hope that you found some inspiration maybe in this, maybe some decorating inspiration, maybe even some cleaning inspiration. I try to keep my kitchen completely clutter-free because it makes me feel better, it looks better, it's cleaner that way, and I just love it. If you have not subscribed yet, please do so. I would love for you to join my YouTube family. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it because it does help me out a whole lot. I will be back in a couple of weeks with an updated decor tour because I will be decorating for fall. I'm so excited for that. If you did not watch Monday's video, I'm starting a fall series starting September the 17th, and it's going to go for 14 days. I'm calling it 14 Days of Fall. So if you love fall and decorating and all things fall as much as I do, please be sure to stick around so that you can check that out as well. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.